This is a tutorial on how to replace the motor on your driver's side mirror on a 2018 Atlas. Again, do this at your own risk. As you can see, my mirror does not go in and out. However, it will go up and down. Okay, so this is the part that you're going to need to replace that motor. I ordered mine from the dealer. Out the door it was 33 bucks. FCP Euro has it on their website for about $26, but I just didn't want to wait the 3 business days. And I'm going to show you what the part looks like. This is the part that you're gonna need to replace. Okay. Let me zoom in for you folks. If you're ordering it yourself, make sure you order the right ones because some of them come with memory and some of them come without memory. But if you're ordering it from the dealership and they pull up your VIN number, they should be ordering the right one. Okay guys, so here's the situation. So don't do like me and remove the back cover and end up breaking one of the tabs. This one here, okay. You actually have to take the mirror out if you want to do it properly. And then you can release these tabs from the inside so you can release this properly. So don't do it like me. In any case, so what you want to do is you want to remove the mirror. You're just going to need some pick tools. So what I used was this, and I started in the corner, pop this side, and then I pop this side. Okay, I'll show you the next step. Okay guys, next step, you're gonna want to disconnect these 2 wires if you have that option on your car for the heated mirror and this other wire. Okay, and as you can see, this is what we're about to replace. Okay guys, so I got the mirror out. You just have to pull on these, these straight out, and then this one has a tab. I'll show you the tab. You just use your pick tool, you push down on that tab and it will release. So now I'll show you the step on how to remove the motor. Okay guys, so this motor is being held by just 1 screw. As you can see, you have to use a, let's see if I can zoom in. You have to use a T10 Torx to get that screw out. So I'm about to remove this harness here, disconnect it, and replace it. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I removed the motor. Again, I use a pick tool. This one, and I kind of wedged it in between the motor and the harness, and I use this motion to separate them. Okay, take your time. You don't want to break this, but you'll get it. And now I'm gonna replace it with the replacement. So I'm trying to do this with one hand, so bear with me here. Just push the harness in. Okay, good. The harness is in. I'm gonna screw in the motor just to hold it in place. And before I put everything back, I'm gonna test, make sure everything works. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I just screwed back the motor and I popped the mirror in, and right now the mirror is going out, it's going in, it's going down, and it goes up. So the issue has been fixed. I'm gonna go in reverse order, put everything back, but it's not that hard of a job. All you need are some pick tools, a T10, and some patience. And don't make my mistake and remove the back cover. You don't need to do that. All right guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just shoot me a DM.